All right, last home tour of the day. I'm at 5676 Patterson Loop. I'm in the village of St. Catharines, and I have a beautiful 3-2 iris model to show you. This home shows like a model. It is gorgeous. They've done such a nice job. The landscaping is beautiful, but if you removed it, you'd have room for a pool. Quartz countertops, really pretty backsplash, big open air feeling, split bedrooms, all yours for $630,000 here in the Villages, Florida. All right, before we get started though, you want to make sure you take a look and get my home buying journal to keep yourself organized during the buying process. All right, let's go around and take a look and make this your next home here in the Villages, Florida. All right, let's go on in. First off, I love the door. So this door has the right amount of shading, and there's just a little bit of clear so it doesn't interfere. Look at that, so pretty. And side lights, so it brings a lot of natural light into the home. We'll step in, a beautiful tile. This home looks like a model. I know staging furniture wasn't her gig, but she's done a great job. Now the furniture is available for purchase separately. And this is an iris model, so everybody who seems to think they need a coat closet, well, you got a closet here for drinks. So they've utilized the space well. All right, so we're going to start off to the immediate right of the doorway, and this would be the guest side. You have a pocket door, and the walls are white. You know, there's just like 50 shades of gray, there's 50 shades of white. So they're a nice, crisp, clean white. More storage. And bathroom. Now the cabinets, they're a brownish, nice hardware, quartz countertops, and then the built-in sink. And tile shower. Bring this up so you can take a look. This home, let me tell you, you can eat off the floor here. Nice, well-made shower door. It's not cheap. Everything that they've done in here, they've done well. I will have a list of the updates that they've made to this home. The bedrooms have carpet. Carpet's all in excellent condition. That looks like a queen size bed, nice furniture, very bright, airy, and they do have a closet. And they have put some organization in it so you can maximize the space. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. And while you're watching this video, I'm going to flash this across MLS and VLS. Please understand, if you're looking to purchase a home here in the Villages and you want a pre-owned home, you need to have MLS and VLS representation so you see everything. Make sure you catch that video. I'll put a link in the description box. Now they're using it as an office. I like this little space here. You could put like a bench if you wanted to build a bench into there for blanket storage or whatever. But the room is cheery. And this is a east facing front, and it does have this tray ceiling in the bedroom. Okay, and it does have a closet. All bedrooms have closets. This one does not have any organization, but easy to add if you need to do so. But you have a lot of space here. Okay, so let's take, all right, stop here. All right, sorry, I had to stop there, take a phone call. Okay, so you see And the entranceway from behind here, you have the top window and the front door and side lights. So I love, 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 love that look. Okay. We shall continue now into the main part of the home. We have dining room section, beautiful furniture, living room, kitchen, eat-in area, beautifully landscaped out back. Now you can fit a small pool back there if you take the landscaping out, and I'm going to get a drawing so you can see what exactly will fit there. But great living space. And I love, the first time I met this couple, they had the TV on and they had a just an image on there, and it looked like a beautiful photo or beautiful piece of artwork. So that's really, really nice. And get into the kitchen. We have large island quartz countertops, big deep sink. You know what makes me happy? Stainless steel appliances. Lots of cabinet space. Seriously organized. Look at that. I got to show you this. This is a pretty sweet deal. I got to get one of these. So I have tons of spices and I can't reach them. Okay. All right. I'm done showing off the drawers. And I get, you know, when I walk into a home like this and I see everything is neat and immaculate, I know that when we get a buyer and it goes through inspection, that I'm not going to have any worries that there will be something blatantly wrong. They'll have just little stupid things always come back. But I'm not expecting to see anything here. Now the cornices, they have on all the windows. It looks really rich. And you have two sliders getting out onto the lanai. Take another look around the room. And there is a separate laundry. This has two car and a car garage. All right, we're going to go into the primary bedroom. This also has a tray ceiling and the window treatments. There are curtains. There are blinds underneath, and the cornices to outside line window sills. It's very pretty. All right, if you want to call me, make me an offer. They can't refuse. Then I'll give them the offer once you make it. All right, big bathroom, Roman shower. Pocket door for the toilet. They have lots of storage. Again, quartz countertops. And then the closet. Lots of space here. And the closet has carpet. You know, whenever you put drawers into closet organization, it adds up. So well done, well done. Okay. All right. Oh, and above and under counter lights. Don't want to forget that. All right, I'm going to just take you out on the lanai here, and then, ta-da, I'm going to show you the garage. Oh, here, no, I got to show you this. Hello. They have privacy screens. So when it starts to get really sunny and you want to block it, you can stop them. I love that fountain. I want to get one of those for my, I've been looking at different pieces for my new landscaping and I really like that one. So they'll go all the way down. So it's going to block some of the wind and the sun. So if you're out here and you want privacy, you have it. And again, we are very close to Iselle, Sawgrass, and probably a 10-minute golf cart ride over to Eastport over the Southern Oaks Bridge. All right. We're gonna take a walk into the exciting laundry room. I know everybody wants to see that, but you actually have a laundry room. And
hello.
There we go. Hey, oh, the owners caught me.
Oh,
No, you're good.
are you taking pictures?
2 car and a car garage. I'm videoing.
Oh,
We're good. No, you're fine. Nova water filter, epoxy on the floor. They're camera shy. I'm gonna get behind here. Okay. 2 car and a golf cart garage. And I'm backing up. Hopefully I don't walk into somebody coming down the road. Beautiful landscaping. This house is simply gorgeous. You need to make it your own. All right. There we have it. All right, well, thank you for joining me on this home tour here in the Village of St. Catharines. And if you would like to make an offer on this home or any other home in the Villages, Florida, you know, you got to call me. I'm Robyn Cavallaro. I'm a realtor here. Pick up my book on Amazon. Keep yourself organized while you're searching. And I am updating my other books, so got lots of stuff going on. All right, everyone, until next time, I'll see ya.